Today's box is Goldie Boxed. It is a customizable quarterly box. We went with the silver bear, which means we got to pick 5 items. There's also bronze and gold that have different items that you can customize, meaning the different number of items. Anyway, enough yak. The yak. I'm not a yak, I'm a camel. Let's see what Anne picked. First up, we have a 2-wick candle, strawberries and cream. It is a 6-ounce candle from Monumental Candles, and its retail value is $12. And in taking a sniff, oh, I want to sniff. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, when we sniff half the candle, it smells like strawberries. The other half smells not like cream, but like perfume. I don't know how it did that, but that's just sniffing at it. Once we put it under our candle warmer, it could be a whole different story. So keep tuned to our shorts for product updates. Next, with a retail of $17, is a Starry Nights notebook. I really like the way they did the pages when you hold the whole thing together. It gives the illusion of the painting. It does that on all the edges. And this is a Flame Tree notebook, The Starry Night, from flametreepublishing.com. And it doesn't say how many pages it has, I don't think. Let me peek. I don't see anything. But it's just a lined notebook. And the timing is good because the notebook I'm using to track YouTube videos is just about out of pages. And we're heading into Advent season, and goodness knows there's going to be lots to write down for that. So the timing on this was perfect. I like the cover of it. Not only do I like the print, but the embossing is done so it is textured. It has a little bit of a rubbery feel, but it's a nice texture. From Bella Pierre, we have the 1999 eyeshadow palette. And oh, that is cute. I need a brush. I want to do swatches. Hold on. We need to get a brush. Okay, here we go. This should be quick. There's only 4 colors. I am the fastest swatcher in the West, and that palette had a retail of $25. The next product that I picked had a $25 value, and we're going to pop up a photo over here. Unfortunately, it had a hard time in transit. Yes, we have palette poof. That was a highlighter. So I have put a message out to Jess over at Goldie Boxed, and I haven't heard anything. The box just came a couple days ago, so I don't know what the procedure will be regarding either replacing it, or do I get a credit on my account, or we have to wait and see. And the last item that Anne got to pick is the family-friendly option. You get to build your own Disneyland. We're big Disney fans in this household. We like Disneyland. So the book itself, which was published in 2021, so some things have changed since then, but it gives you little tidbits about the park. And then there's a whole separate section, if I can get this right side up, where you punch out these little pieces and segments and put them together, and it will make, oh, that's blinding everybody, so sorry. It will make a small Disneyland. I thought this was fun to have. I don't know if we're really gonna take it apart, because then it's just one more thing to dust. Yet it was too cute to pass it up. It had a retail of $15, in case we forgot to say that. I thought it was cute. And then there are always a couple freebies tossed in. We got a Bella Pierre brush. I'm looking to see, yes, it says blending brush number 017. That's what it looks like. Nicely weighted. I like the fact that it has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not so light. I don't feel like I'm playing with a toy, and it's not so heavy. It doesn't tip funny. Nicely done. And the other free item is a plant-based bug balm. This is by Family Quitch. Plant-powered insect repellent. So it's not got all sorts of funky chemicals and whatnot in there. So this is another fun little item. Luckily, we don't have too many bugs out here, but I'm going to hang on to this one. I'm looking to see if the itty-bitty print seems to just be a lot number. I don't see an expiration date. Gonna hang on to it because you never know when something like this could come in handy. What did you see that you liked? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? It comes out every quarter. This is the summer quarter. Let me know what you think, what you liked, because I'm a newsy camel. I want to do all the details. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, this was the Goldie Bear Summer Box. We went with the Silver Bear level, which allows you to pick 5 items. That's a $45 box. Free shipping, tax. Can't get away from taxes. So that brings us to $48.48 where we are. A tree is planted for every box that is purchased. So overall, the value of my box was $94, which for a $45 investment, that's not bad. It is unfortunate that the highlighter had a difficult time in transit, and we shall see what can be done. Like I said, I don't know if they can replace the item or if I get a credit on my account, or I don't know what the procedure is. Unfortunate to lose an item. It happens sometimes, but we thank you for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share it with others. We're trying to boost up our channel. We hope to see you in another video. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. And I will be quiet now so you can go check out another video. See you next time.